Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. The new powerful OnePlus 15T. This new compact flagship beats Xiaomi 17 Pro and Vivo X300 with a larger battery. According to the latest preliminary news data, the new compact OnePlus 15T will get a record high battery, with fast charging speed, and many other exciting upgrades. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. OnePlus has revealed new details about its upcoming compact phone. The OnePlus 15T is expected to launch later this month, although the company has not announced an exact date yet. However, it recently began teasing the handset. In its latest teasers, OnePlus has confirmed the battery capacity and additional design details of the upcoming OnePlus 15T. The OnePlus 15T will be released as the successor to the OnePlus 13T, which featured a 6260 mAh battery with 80 watts of wired charging, but lacked wireless charging support. Now, the company has officially confirmed that the OnePlus 15T will feature a 20% larger battery than its predecessor. OnePlus is releasing details about the upcoming OnePlus 15T. The company previously revealed the phone's display bezels on its website. Now, battery details for the compact flagship phone have been revealed. OnePlus China President Li Jielui announced on Weibo that the OnePlus 15T will feature a 7500 mAh battery. It will support 100 watts wired and 50 watts wireless fast charging. Furthermore, the upcoming device will support bypass charging, which draws power directly from the charger and can help prevent overheating during heavy use. By comparison, current 6.3-inch flagship phones like the Xiaomi 17 Pro and Vivo X300 feature 6300 mAh and 6040 mAh batteries respectively, falling short of the OnePlus 15T's 7500 mAh battery. Notably, the OnePlus 15T's battery also outperforms the 7300 mAh battery in the standard OnePlus 15, which features a larger 6.78-inch display. However, rumors suggest it will launch in China sometime in March. Leaks suggest it will feature a 6.3-inch display with a 1.5K resolution and a 165Hz refresh rate. It may also feature a 50-megapixel dual rear camera and an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Furthermore, based on Antutu benchmark results, the listing suggests that the phone is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.